Hey, our last vocab section for this packet. All right, let's get right to it. Fortifications. Fortifications are basically walls and barriers. So anytime you see fortifications come up, think walls, barriers, something that empires make to protect themselves or to mark where their borders are. Usually they expand their borders, then they build a wall. So that would be walls and barriers that an empire will build to try to keep out other people. It's also kind of a sign that there's conflict and war going on with other groups as well. Via militares. Probably saying that one wrong. But the via militares are basically the Roman roads. These are the roads that the Romans built all the way throughout their empire. There was an expression that said, all roads lead to Rome. This made that the military could travel quickly. It was also really good for trade because traders, merchants could take these roads and go back and forth and bring a lot of products from all over the world. China and other areas could disperse all throughout the empire. So there we go.